Hi everyone, I am Ofalanga and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. If you are new and not subscribed the channel, so subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get some more videos about grammar. Today, as you know, we are going to discuss about the first kind of noun pronoun that is known as definite pronouns. So let's begin the today's topic. Definite pronoun definition. Those pronouns which show the exact number of nouns are called definite pronouns. Those pronouns which show the exact number of nouns. What do we mean by the word exact number of nouns? Exact number of nouns, any noun which we know about. For that, you'll be using, like, you have got the personal pronouns, demonstrative, interrogative, emphatic interrogative. These all are known as the definite pronouns, which are used in the place of exact number. Now example is Ali is my brother. He is a doctor. Now see, Ali is already a definite noun for which you'll be using the masculine singular pronoun that is known as E. After that, we have got the next example. Farah is a girl. She teaches maths. Now, this is what Farah is a noun which is known as a definite noun, and instead of that, you will be using the definite personal pronoun that is known as feminine singular that is known as she. In the same way, we have got the next one. I have a dog. Now, dog is a noun, exact number we know about. For that, you will be using it. It is loyal. And next example, we have got Aslam and Tanveer are brothers. They work together. Now, see, Aslam and Tanveer, they both are used together, and instead of them, we use the personal pronoun they. So, those pronouns which are used in the place of exact numbers, like we have got Aslam and Tanvir, instead of two nouns, will be using the personal pronoun they, and it is used for masculine and feminine both as a plural. So they work together. So this is the definition of personal pronouns, and we have got 10 kinds for definite pronouns. And there are, the personal, demonstrative, interrogative, emphatic interrogative, relative, emphatic relative, zero pronoun, reciprocal pronouns, distributive pronoun, reflexive pronouns. These all are the kinds of definite pronouns. So demonstrative pronouns, clear. So these all we will be discussing one by one. Hope you got today's lecture. Wish you best of luck. See you next time with next lecture. Good.